Hi, I'm 218. Let's take a look at a crook problem. So a crook problem has two parallel lines, right? We've got our lines marked parallel, and it has some kind of zigzag in the middle. So we need to find a way to solve for x. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to go and use what is called our parallel postulate. So our parallel postulate says this: through a point not on a given line, there exists exactly one line parallel to the given line. Okay, what the heck does that mean? We saw the parallel postulate in class on the iPad activity. In class on the iPad activity, we had something that looked like this. I said, here's a line, here's a point, draw a line through that point parallel to that line. Okay, after you drew your line through the point parallel to my black line right there, I asked you to compare your line to your neighbor's line. I said, does everybody have the same picture? And we decided, yes, everybody has the same picture because our parallel postulate says through this point, let's see, through this point right there, okay, there's only one line that can exist that can in fact be parallel to the given line. So every single person in the class has to draw that same exact line. Okay. Okay, so back to our problem. How does the parallel postulate help me here? I have two lines plus a zigzag, not sure what to call that. Where's my point? Okay, the key is to see that the point we're dealing with is right here. This is the point. Through this point right here, I can draw a line that will now be parallel to what given line? To both of them. Okay, so take a look. Here's my new line, parallel postulate in action right here. Through this point, I drew the only line that exists that is parallel to both of my given lines. What does this get me? By having parallel lines, now I can say, hey, if parallel lines, then this angle here and this angle here are congruent by alternate interior angles. So that means that this angle right here is also now 35 degrees. Okay, so we can apply that same logic, and I can say, well, if this angle right here is 160, then this angle up here must be 20. How do I know that? Well, if these lines are parallel, then these are same side interior angles. And same side interior angles are supplementary when the lines are parallel. So putting this together, what do I get for x? Because remember, and it kind of got hidden here, but there is my x right there. X is this whole angle right here. So what is x? X is going to be this 35 plus this 20. So here we see that the 35 and the 20 gets me 55, and that's the answer to my original problem. X is 55. Now I should quickly note that it's not always going to be alternate interior angles. It's not always going to be same side interior angles that you use. You have to put in your parallel line and see which angle combination actually works for your problem.